In this video, I would like to show you how to navigate to our course. So what I've done is I went ahead and I went to the mc4me.mccd.edu, and that is the Merced College portal. I've already signed in, and so you'll sign in with your Merced College username and password. And so once you've logged in, it will take you to a page that looks very much somewhat like this. So you can click here to check your email, etc. Well, to get into Canvas and to get into our online course, you need to go onto Canvas. So you'll click on the Canvas icon. And then from there, you'll go ahead and say you want to log into Canvas. And so you'll hit log in. It might possibly, like it's doing for me, go ahead and log me in. Otherwise, you will need to put in your Merced College login ID, username, and in your password again. Okay, the same one that you used for the portal, it logs you in here. All right, so then in order to get into our class, this is the icon for our class. So ACTG 04A 31550 fall 2020, and you'll see here the image here of the calculator, and it looks like tax papers. So you'll click on that. That will then bring you into the course homepage. And so you should see this, welcome accounting 04A. You'll see my name and my email. This area here in the turquoise will be an area where I will post encouragement, or I will post notes for you of what's going on. And so this, you can read this. And then you'll notice there's a button right here that says Start Here Orientation. So that's what you'll do first. And so that'll be open to you from whenever you gain access to Canvas, which you're not seeing this if you don't have access. So you have access to Canvas. You'll see it there. You can work through the orientation module this weekend. On Monday, and it'll probably be around midnight on Monday, this week 1 module 1 will open. So if you click on Start Here Orientation, it takes you through the orientation. So then you can start. You can click on About Your Instructor. You can click on that. It opens up. There's a short little video clip here that you can watch. You can read a little bit and click Next. And so you can just click Next then through each one of these. There will be several assignments for you, and as of now of this video, I'm still working on getting those loaded. But you'll see under that there's an assignment where I just want you just to post and say that you've read through the course syllabus and the orientation module. And then we have our online meeting. You'll get 10 points for attending the online meeting on Friday. Okay. There'll be a couple other things there. I'll have you sign up for groups for our discussion, because our capacity right now, I have 45 students. Our capacity is 50 students, and so discussion is going to get very unwieldy if we have 50 students in each one of our discussion groups. So we'll do that. I'll have a discussion board actually within the orientation module where you'll kind of give a little bit of a introduction, student introduction, and so you'll do that. That'll be one that'll be open to the whole class, and then the students, you all can interact back and forth, and I might chime in as well. And then again, starting on Monday, then you'll see the week 1 module. And so you can get to that from the homepage or by clicking, which I'll show you the links on the left-hand side. Okay, right now I just have problems, but again, there'll be quizzes, there'll be discussion forums, etc. there. Okay, and again, that'll be available to you later. Let's talk about what's up. To go back to the homepage, and I'll talk about what's on the left-hand side. So what's on the left-hand side, you'll see that there's a link here for announcements, and those announcements will show up here at the top of the page once there are any. Confer Zoom is where you will be able to Zoom with me, and so I'm going to be available Monday and Wednesday from 3 to 5 o'clock, because normally if we were meeting in class, we would meet about an hour and 50 minutes at a time. Okay, so I'm going to make myself available at that time. Now I realize some people work, and so 3 o'clock doesn't work for them, and that's fine. There will be a recording after the lecture. There will be a recording of that, and I will have to edit it down, and then that will be available to you within the lecture page that you'll see within each week module after the orientation. So modules, you can get to the module. You can click on syllabus, and we can take a look at that. You see here I have a link to the syllabus page, which is really handy. You can just scroll down and then you can read about all of the things, and there's a lot of really important information here. So I encourage you to take a look at this and study this. You might want to click on, if I go back, I have a printable copy of the syllabus. You might want to click on that and open that up, because that will be a PDF. We can open up in Adobe. You might want to take a look at that, because that, print it, because that lists everything out exactly. So you'll need your textbook, tells you what textbook you need. It tells you that we need the McGraw-Hill Connect, which I'll talk about in a minute. And it gives you some other information as well. Okay, so here it is. So this, but I have this on as a page as well, so that you can just quickly reference it. Okay, we list our assignments, we list a lot of things there. Okay, course procedures. Okay, people is where you'll go to sign up for your groups, and so you'll see a list of the students here under everyone, and then under groups, it's not set up now, but it will be. I will have discussion groups, and then you can go ahead and place yourself in your group. Okay, so we'll set that up. And then McGraw-Hill Connect is where you'll be doing your assignments. So I won't click on that, because it's going to show something different for me than what it will for you. But when you click on that, that will give a place, if you've purchased your book, to go ahead and put in your code, or if you've not purchased your book yet, to either go ahead and purchase a copy of the book, or which you can also do that at the college website and get it from the college, and the bookstore is open, by the way. Or you can go ahead and just order a code, because the book is available to you through Connect. So if you just want to go ahead and purchase the code, you can do that if you don't need a hard copy book. But if you do, you can go to the bookstore and get one, but it'll give you an option. Now, if you're not in a position today to purchase the book, maybe you're waiting on financial aid or something else, that's fine. You do have the option of, I believe it is a 2-week trial or a 3-week trial. I'm not exactly sure, but you do have a trial period. So you can go ahead and sign up. The one thing when you go to sign up for Connect, please be sure, and that will be one of your assignments, please be sure that you sign up with your Merced College student email, because that will be what will allow the McGraw-Hill Connect system to connect to Canvas, and so your grades will flow. And you see here we have links to the library, links to the Student Success and Tutorial Center, links to Smarter Thinking online tutoring, so you can get online tutoring, links to Office 365. And then you have a link here also that will be active to you later, unless I need to make it active, it looks like. Maybe not. But right now there's no grades, but later on you can click there and you can see your grades. Okay. So that's how that works. Okay. If you do run into any trouble navigating our course, please send me either an email through the email, david.abbott@mccd.edu, or send me a message through the inbox function. Okay. So you see here, you have the dashboard, courses, groups, which you'll use that. I believe you can use that for your discussion groups, but anyway, discussion groups. The calendar, which lists your assignments. The inbox is how you message. Okay, I don't believe you have a couple of these. And then Pronto is something that's pretty neat. So you can click on Pronto. That actually allows you, it's public, so everybody sees it, but it allows you to send like a text message. So if I go down here and if you click on the 3 lines, you can choose which class. And so you're interested in, unless I have to do something to maybe set it up. There we go. So the accounting, you can select our class, and then you can instant message with me through Pronto. I'm usually on the computer most of the time, so that's one way. Again, but note that that's public, anybody sees it. So if it's something private that you need to keep between you and I, you need to use the inbox function. okay? But again, if you have any questions, let me know. I hope that this video has been helpful. I look forward to being your instructor this semester. So I'm excited, and so just bear with me. Everything should be up here by Monday, but I'm still actively working on getting everything set up, okay? But I'm excited, and I look forward to meeting with you on Friday afternoon so that we can, get to meet each other and get started. And then Monday, bright and early Monday, you can come on and you can start actually doing the actual academic work of actually getting into accounting in Chapter 1. So talk to you guys later. Bye for now.